Let's make a gluten-free air-fried pizza. First, take one pizza crust, gluten-free, and place it on the side for about 5 minutes to thaw. For the pizza, you will need some tomato sauce or pizza sauce, some fresh mozzarella, some basil, and some protein. For this pizza, I'm using some grilled chicken I had left over in the refrigerator, but you can use any protein that either you have or that sounds good to you. Pepperoni, sausage, vegetarian, or vegan options. Slice up your protein just like this. And then set it aside. Now take your mozzarella and slice it into 4 slices, and then cut those in half. Now take 1 garlic clove and press it with a knife to remove the peel. Cut it in half, and take 1/2 and rub it all over the front side of your pizza crust. This is going to give your pizza a really delicious flavor. Take some olive oil, drizzle it over the top. That adds moisture and flavor. Then take 3 spoonfuls of your pizza sauce and add that to your pizza. Make sure to leave some room along the edges for your crust. Now add your basil. I'm adding the basil on the bottom because in the air fryer, if you add it on top, it'll kind of fly around everywhere. So this prevents it from doing that. And then you add the cheese on top, just like this. Now take the rest of your garlic and slice it into thin pieces. Add these to your pizza. This just adds extra flavor. If you don't like garlic that much, you can feel free to leave this step out. Now add your protein. Now we're ready to air fry at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. And there you go, look at that, it looks so delicious. Slice it up, you can serve this for a number of different meals for yourself or maybe just for 2. And enjoy!